Pondati, Chennai Biryani inga.
Seegram podu macha.
Okay, amma. Yellarukkum vanakkam. Today we are going to make this biryani is little bit special. It is very tasty, but it is done differently than Hyderabadi biryani. We have to cook the meat. So first we are going to add oil. You know, for 1 kg of mutton, around 150 ml of oil need to be added. In this, we are going to use whole garam masala, the kalpasi, Marathi moggu, star anise, cinnamon, cardamom, clove, everything. After my Delhi training, the first posting I got was in Chennai. That is where I learned a lot of cooking in Chennai, especially I love the Chettinad food. When the oil is nice and hot, in this add onion. For 1 kg of meat, they almost add half a kg of onion, but usually I add little less than that. Add salt and cook the onion till they are slightly golden in color. Tanga color vara varaikum nalla ida vadakanam. Now inji pundu paste, little ginger garlic paste. We are going to add a little extra in this. Now pacha milagai, the green chilies, milgatul, red chili powder, dhania tul, that is a coriander powder, biryani masala pudi, the biryani masala powder. We are going to add a little bit and a little bit of garam masala powder. So we got all of it. Now just mix all of this. Now 1 kilo aat curry, the 1 kg of mutton, the medium size pieces, and mix it well. Now you have to cook this till the mutton is nice and soft. In Chennai I have seen in the weddings, especially to cook mutton, they use coconut shell and also tender mango leaves, and they just put it in there, and the mutton apparently cooks very well. So in this we are going to add water, and we are going to cook this till the mutton is nice and tender. The beauty about cooking the mutton with almost half the amount of onions is it gives such an awesome aroma. You know, now we are going to take the gravy, because here we are not going to make the salan, we are going to make a gravy. So take the juices from this mutton and look at this. We are going to use this as our shorva and make your own shorva. If you want, you can add some poppy seed paste and cook it, and a lot of ways we can convert this into great shorva. Look at this. This much is good. This is what we are going to pour on the biryani when we eat it, you know, to get that extra. We are going to add curd. See, the tomatoes will substitute the yogurt in the Chennai thing. We added little, but we are going to add tomatoes also to give that sourness. In this, we are going to add the mint leaf. Coriander is optional. Add a little bit. And add milk. In this, add tomatoes on top. In the meanwhile, we are going to cook the rice. Here, the water is boiling vigorously, in which we are going to add oil. Any biryani, the water has to taste like sea salt water. And in this, we add saffron water on top of the rice. Here, we are going to add the orange yellow color, and that will make the entire rice a little bit colorful. Okay, look at this water. All the rice will be colored. You know, the soaked basmati rice. A lot of people have been asking what brand of basmati rice I use. Once you soak the rice, it has to smell good. Only then your biryani will be good. And also aged rice is better for making biryanis. Now, you know, the first layer of rice is little bit less cooked. Just take it and on top of the mutton, look at this, and the rice. So the rice should get the nice meaty flavor from the gravy underneath. The mutton is cooked, everything is nice. So just 1 more minute. The rest of the rice, put it on top. You have to see how grainy the rice is. In this, add a little bit of lemon juice. This is the gravy that we have taken, some of the gravy. Just put it on top. In this, this is homemade ghee in our house. Put the lid on and let it cook on a medium flame for 5 to 7 minutes. Then another 10 minutes on a very slow flame. When you go and eat this biryani in Chennai, there is going to be a quarter plate. Quarter plate biryani. This is half plate biryani. This is, you know, slightly full plate biryani, and this is Vahchef plate biryani. So nothing will match Vahchef plate biryani. You know, full daba daba ke, you know, khane ka. Now the biryani we just switched off. After switching off the flame, around 10 minutes later, you can, slowly, pull this and, you have to kind of throw the mutton up. Okay, this is how you need to mix this. Aha, the mutton is so tender and perfect. So this is method of cooking. Even if the meat is little bit tough, you can cook it. Now after you mix it, अभी अम्मा को बुलाना पड़ेगा. ये चेन्नई वाला अम्मा नहीं है, ये हमारा घर का अम्मा है, तो उसको बुलाएंगे क्वीन विक्टोरिया जी. वो पोंडाटी 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 इंग वाह, बिरयानी ready. Now this is the gravy we removed, and that will give that extra punch when you're eating the biryani. They serve it in a plate full, and you grab little bit onto your banana leaf and you eat. If you want, you can pour some of the gravy. So on the plate the biryani will be hot, and little by little you drag onto your banana leaf and eat. Pondati pondati, eh pondati pondati, pondati pondati, eh pondati pondati, Chennai biryani inga.
Seegram podu macha.
Okay amma.
Seegram podu macha.
Okay amma. This is the beautiful, the Chennai biryani. Wow. And the meat is so soft and perfect. Wow. Aha. Aha. Here is your nalli bone.
Nalli ed pod macha.
Here is the onion, and here is our mutton sherwa. First, eating biryani is like a dance here. The biryani is nice and hot. The mutton shorwa a little bit. Oh. Okay, each biryani is very special on its own. So this one is just amazing. எப்படி இருக்கு பொண்டாட்டி?
சூப்பர் மச்சா.
Wow. Just outstanding. Amazing. With the shorwa, this is just outstanding. வாழ்க வளமுடன், வாழ்க வையகம். நன்றி, வணக்கம்.